Secure, fast, tool-free, leak-free. Introduction to ACG's pressure washer couplings, specially designed for high-pressure water flow. These couplings are used for quick disconnects between pressure washers, spray guns, and foam cannons, typically in 1/4 of an inch or 3/8 of an inch sizes. Made from brass and stainless steel, they provide excellent durability and corrosion resistance, ensuring long-lasting performance in harsh environments. Valveless design eliminates flow restrictions, allowing maximum pressure and operation efficiency. Enables fast and effortless connection and disconnection of pressure washer hoses and accessories. Reducing setup and transition times. Precision engineered to deliver secure, leak-free connections, maintaining optimal pressure and system efficiency. They fit most standard pressure washer hoses and accessories, offering versatile applications across different equipment. If you have other needs, we support customization.